Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best camcorders you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many camcorders and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each camcorders so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a camcorder. First, think about video quality because resolution like Full HD or 4K greatly affects clarity and detail. Next, consider the lens quality and optical zoom since these determine how well you can capture distant or close subjects without losing sharpness. Battery life is another important factor, especially if you plan to record for long periods or outdoors. Don't forget storage options, such as memory card compatibility and capacity, so you can record longer without interruptions. Also, check image stabilization features to reduce shakiness in handheld shots. Finally, look at connectivity options like Wi-Fi, HDMI, or USB for easy file transfers and live streaming. By carefully comparing these features, you can choose a camcorder that fits your needs and budget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.